Wouldn't you like to try a cooking oil that is healthy and long-lasting with minimal foaming? We would like to introduce you to our SK Premium Tempura Oil. There are three main reasons why the polar compound increases. The measurement of polar compound in the oil is referred to as TPM%, and when the oil exceeds 24 to 25% TPM, it is recommended to be replaced. From looking at the results of the TPM% graph, you can see that our oil takes much longer to reach the point of replacement compared to soybean oil and rice bran oil. On top of that, our oil has various health components: long-lasting, minimal foaming, and healthy. Our SK Premium Tempura Oil is all you need.